How to change phone number on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to change your phone number on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your shopping icon at the top. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find account right here, tap on it. Then here you can find manage Uber account, just right here, select it. Now here you can find personal info, just right here, tap on it. Now here you can find phone number, just right here, tap on it. Now to change your phone number, simply remove this phone number, just like this, and add a new one, just like this, and tap on to update. And after doing that, you will get a verification code, and you can simply add the code and you will simply update your phone number. And that's it. This is how you can change phone number on Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.